Hi everybody, my name is Sanjay, and today again I am in front of you all with a very nice story, nice subject, nice thing which is very genuine to you all, and everybody loves that thing, that is money. Today I am going to you very nice tricks how to earn a money without a continuous effort. As you know all are, we have to work hard to earn a money. Without working we cannot get money. But there are some ways to earn a money without continuous effort, and same thing I am going to share with you. I am going to give some tricks or some tips to you all so that you will be happy to earn money by applying that tricks, that tips. So dear all, before going further, let me share with you a very nice story about two friends whose names are Bruno and Pablo, living in a village, not happily because too much unemployment in that village. One day what happened, the mayor of that village, Sarpanch of that village, came to these two friends and told them that, see my friends, during this season we don't have any rain, so all the tanks in our village get empty. We don't have water to drink also. So if you bring a water from nearby river and pour it in our tank, so that at certain extent we will solve our water problem. And for every bucket or for every work I will pay you with the money. As they are unemployed person, they get happily, or they agreed that proposal happily, and they start their job from the next day. Every day Bruno and Pablo went to nearby the river, bring some water and pour into the tank of that village. After some period of time, after some period of days, the Pablo, very smart person, get hectic with his job, get tired with his job, and he thought on this matter that why not we prepare one nice pipeline, why not we fabricate a nice pipeline from that river to our tank, so that that pipeline will work for us and we not need to work every day. So he went to his friend with this nice idea and told his friend that, see Bruno, I have a very nice idea, why not we fabricate one nice pipeline from that river to our tank, so that that pipeline will work for us and we not need to work every day. But it needs initially some homework, some investment and some hard work also. The Bruno, a lazy kind of person, he not get ready easily for this idea. He thought that it required little bit investment, it required homework, it required hard work initially, and he said that, see Pablo, I am happy with this bucket carrying job because whatever idea you bring in front of me, it requires too much homework, hard work initially and investment also. So I don't want to work so much hard for that initially. Then the Pablo get nervous with this suggestion and with this discussion, then, and with nervous mind he start on his idea, and during a short period of time he fabricated one nice pipeline from this river to the tank. Now what is the situation? The Pablo who fabricated the pipeline, that pipeline works for that Pablo. Whenever he went to any party or any arrangement or any programs, his income going on. Whenever he become a sick, his income going on. Whenever he want to do some rest at home, still his income is going on because the nice pipeline working for the Pablo. On the other hand, whenever the Bruno gets sick, his income stop. When he went for some party, for birthday functions, his income stop. The thing is that he has to work every day, then only he got a money. He cannot rest. So dear friend, from this story I want to say you that more than 90% of our public, of our world public, just doing this bucket carrying job. Every day they work hard, then only they get a money or all the properties. When I come in contact of some smart persons, I come to know that it is not a right way to work hard for full of your life. At some extent, we have to stop that working hard and you have to invest in such a smart way so that your income should be going on and going on. We have to make a nice pipeline for our income source. For that, I'm going to share with you a 3R story. Rent, royalty or rights and returns. Very nice. Rent means what? Just purchase some commercial property, home property or any property and give on a rent. Purchase some machinery and like this and give on rent. Your income it will be going on. Second thing is royalty and rights. Both are almost similar, not big difference in it. The thing is in it that we have to work hard initially. We have to make some brand like Harry Potter, then McDonald's, then some apps, Apple phones, which develop some apps like this, or some books. If you write some nice books, once you prepare all these things, once you make your brand, once you prepare your brand, your income will be going on by the form of that royalty and rights. Whenever some person read your books, the portion of some part of that price of that book immediately goes to your account. Harry Potter, a well-known author, one time she was struggling for earning money. Now she had become her brand. Whenever any company want to purchase or develop some Harry Potter theme in their park or somewhere else, they have to pay a Harry Potter owner some amount called as rights. They have to purchase that right and then only they can make that theme park in their parks. So in this way, some part of the profit goes to Harry Potter owner. Like this, McDonald's, very nice and famous company. For everything you purchase from McDonald's, some part of that profit goes immediately to the McDonald's owner company. It is said that about 37,000 outlets all over the world McDonald's have. Means 37,000 pipelines are working for McDonald's. So dear friends, in this way also we can earn our money. And third R is returns. Purchase something now, wait for some period, you will get a nice return like shares, gold or some property. Just purchase now. By keeping a good vision, you will get a proper return at appropriate time. You know, the Reliance Industries share was one time, 15 years, 20 years back, about only 200, 300 rupees. Now it goes to 1500 rupees. Means about 10, 15 times it increased. Like this, we can purchase something now and wait for appropriate price and just sell it. This is called as third art, means returns. So dear friend, these are the 3R's theory I want to discuss with you, share with you. Hope you like it. Don't work hard, full of your life. At some point stop and invest your effort in a smart way so that your income will be going on and going on. This is the message from our story, my story. Hope you will like it. Sure, it helping me a lot. I think it will be help you if you apply in your life. Thank you very much. Bye.